Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to the First Step Academy Learn and Grow Educational Medium. Okay, the problem here is if a is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1, b is equal to 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1, find 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a squared minus b squared. Right, this is the problem. So now we are going to find the value of 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a squared minus b squared. So we are not going to directly substitute a and b value over here, right? Instead of that, we are going to simplify this and then we are going to substitute this a and b, right? So how do we simplify this, right? Look at here. So 1 divided by a minus b minus 2b divided by a squared minus b squared. This is given, right? So this is exactly we need to find. We are going to simplify this. How? Look at here the denominator. So how? This is in the format called a squared minus b squared, right? So if it is a squared minus b squared, then how do we write? Based on the formula, it is a plus b into a minus b, right? I'm going to apply this formula over here so that we'll get as 1 divided by a minus b minus 2b divided by a plus b into a minus b. This is we'll get, right? Fine. Next, what we are going to do, look at the denominator of first term only a minus b. Look at the denominators of second term a plus b into a minus b. So I want to bring the denominator of first term as like a plus b into a minus b, so that it will be easy to subtract the numerator, right? So that what I'm going to do in the sense, I'm going to multiply the first term with a plus b as well as I'm going to divide with a plus b, so value will not change. At the same time, I can able to bring the denominator is common for both the term, right? Fine. Well, now I'm going to do that. So a plus b divided by a plus b into a minus b minus 2b divided by a plus b into a minus b, right? Fine. So now look at the denominator is common, hence I'm going to take common denominator. So a plus b into a minus b. Now look at the numerator, I can directly subtract a plus b minus 2b, right? Fine. Next, what we have to do, look at the denominator. So a plus b minus 2b. So plus b minus 2b is minus b, right? So a minus b divided by a plus b into a minus b, right? So we get this. Now this a minus b and this a minus b will cancel, and finally we'll get as 1 divided by a plus b, right? We simplified now. The 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a squared plus a squared minus b squared, we simplified this as 1 by a plus b, right? Fine. So now I'm going to find the value of 1 by a plus b. So 1 divided by, what is a? A is 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Same time, plus b is 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Now look at, so 1 divided by, so what we need to do, we need to do the cross multiplication, right? So 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1, so 2x plus 1 whole squared plus 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 whole squared divided by 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Right? Next, what we'll get? So 1 divided by 2x plus 1 whole square plus 2x minus 1 whole square divided by, this is again in the form called a plus b into a minus b. So how do we write? A square minus b square, where a is 2x, b is 1. So a square is 2x squared minus b squared. Further, 1 divided by 2x plus 1 whole square plus 2x minus 1 whole square divided by, so 2 square I am bringing inside, so 4x squared minus 1 I am getting, right? Now this 4x squared minus 1 will go to the numerator, right? Now I am going to write as 4x squared minus 1 divided by, so 2x plus 1 whole squared plus 2x minus 1 whole squared. Now I am going to expand the denominator. So when I expand, what I will get? 4x squared minus 1 divided by, so a plus b whole squared, a minus b whole squared. We know that a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, where a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, right? Either you can expand this and then you can solve the problem, or else look at this formula itself, a plus b whole squared, this is a minus b whole squared. If I add these two, that's what here, right? So if I add these two, what will get? So this plus 2ab and minus 2ab will cancel mutually. So we have 2a squared and 2b squared. So 2 I can take commonly. So a squared plus b squared, where a plus b whole squared plus a minus b whole squared can be written as 2 into a squared plus b squared. This is also one of the formula, right? So in place of this 2x plus 1 whole squared plus 2x minus 1 whole squared, I am going to substitute this formula, right? So here a is 2x, b is 1. So when I am substitute, then what I will get? 2 into a square is 2x squared plus b square is 1 squared. What I will get? 4x squared minus 1 divided by, so 2 into 2x squared is 4x squared plus 1, right? So we found the answer. This is answer for this particular problem, right? So once again I am reading the problem as well as the answer, right? If a is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1, b is equal to 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1, find 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a squared minus b squared. So first we simplified this and then we substituted a and b value over there, and then we found the answer. The answer is 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2 into 4x squared plus 1, right? This is answer. Thank you for watching. This is your The First Step Academy.